Tired of static data and boring reports? Let's turn your N8n workflows into dynamic data visualization powerhouses using Quickchart. First, set up your N8n workflow with a trigger and any necessary nodes to gather the data you want to visualize. This example uses a function node to create some sample data. Now, drag and drop the Quickchart node into your workflow. In the configuration panel, you'll use JSON to define your chart. Don't worry, Quickchart's documentation has plenty of examples to get you started, but remember, you can customize as much as you need. Head over to Quickchart's website to explore the various chart types and grab sample JSON configurations. Copy the code snippet for the chart you want to use. Paste the JSON into the Quickchart node's configuration, replacing any placeholder data with expressions that reference the data from your previous nodes. This is where the magic happens. N8n dynamically populates your chart. Run the workflow. The Quickchart node outputs a URL to your newly generated chart image. You can now embed this URL into emails, reports, dashboards, or any other application to share your dynamic data visualizations. And that's it. Unleash the power of data visualization in your N8n automations with Quickchart. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips.